You don't have to pay for cell phone insurance from your wireless provider. You may be able to get it for free by using the right credit card. Hey, I'm Michael from michaelsaves.com, and in this video, I'm going to explain how free cell phone protection works, the best credit cards that offer it, and some details that you need to know about the fine print. Let's get started. First, let's talk about how cell phone protection from a credit card issuer actually works, because not all credit cards have this benefit, and even those that do, some are better than others. There are two numbers I want you to remember, 600 and 25. And here's why. Because the best free cell phone protection policies offer up to $600 in protection after a $25 deductible. And that $600, that's when your phone is either damaged or stolen. It does not cover it when your phone is lost. Now, some of those policies that you may get through your cell phone provider, they may cover when phones are lost, but the cell phone protection that you get from a credit card typically does not. That's what you'll want to read in the fine print, and I'll have more about the fine print later on in this video. So, if you have one of these credit cards that offers up to $600 in protection with a $25 deductible, the way to make this coverage active is to pay your monthly cell phone bill using your credit card that has this benefit. This doesn't mean that you have to charge your cell phone, the actual device, using the credit card, just your monthly cell phone bill. So what I do is I have my credit card auto pay set up for my cell phone bill. So I know that the coverage will never lapse because every month I'm paying my cell phone bill using a credit card that offers cell phone protection. So now let's talk about some of the credit cards that actually offer this benefit, because as I mentioned, not all of them do. But if you have a Wells Fargo credit card in your wallet, chances are you've got free cell phone protection as long as you pay your cell phone bill with that credit card every single month. And the card I use is the Wells Fargo Propel. This is an American Express card, and I like it for a few reasons besides the free cell phone protection. It has a nice sign-up bonus, also great rewards on travel, dining out, and streaming services as of this video, and it comes with no annual fee. Now, if you don't have a Wells Fargo credit card already and just don't want to do business with that bank, there's a chance that your existing credit card issuer may also offer this protection. So what I'm going to say to you, go to their website, check to see if you get free cell phone protection with one of your current credit cards before you go out and apply for a new one. The first time that I heard about this benefit, I actually did apply for a credit card just for the cell phone protection because I don't want to pay $10 to $15 a month from my wireless provider for cell phone insurance. And when I did that, I started with the Uber Visa card. That card still, as of January 2020, does offer the cell phone protection, but it has undergone some changes to its rewards program that make that card not such a great fit for me. That's why I moved over to the American Express Propel. It's just a better credit card overall for my lifestyle, and it has the free cell phone protection benefit. So check with your current credit card issuer before you take out a new card. You may already have this free cell phone protection. And we have to talk about the fine print because I mentioned at the top, this cell phone protection from your credit card issuer, not identical to what you would get from a wireless provider. I think it's worth it myself, but you're going to have to make that decision. I want to read some of the fine print from Wells Fargo because, as I mentioned in this video, that's who I use for the free cell phone protection. Here are some of the key points that you need to know. First, this protection reimburses you when your phone is damaged or it is stolen, not when your phone is lost. Some of those policies from cell phone providers do include protection if your phone is lost. Also, we're talking about $600 maximum per claim with a $25 deductible, up to $1,200 in a 12-month period in total protection. The protection is only available when you pay your cell phone bill with a linked credit card. So you have to make sure that your credit card is eligible and then pay your cell phone bill with it every single month. Something else that I saw here that caught my eye is it says that coverage does not apply to cell phones that are rented, borrowed, or received as part of a prepaid plan. So when I saw that, I was like, wait, I have a prepaid cell phone provider. Currently, I'm with Visible and I pay $25 a month for unlimited service. I have a separate video with a review on them if you're interested in lowering your overall cell phone bill. But that's a prepaid carrier, so I wondered, well, am I not protected? What I did is I used the 800 number to call Wells Fargo. There's a special department that has experts in this cell phone protection, and they said that I am covered, that I have nothing to worry about. When they're talking about these prepaid plans, it is more those pay-as-you-go phones that you might find at a store like a Dollar General or something like that. So you want to go through the terms and conditions, make sure that you're eligible for this coverage. And another thing about it though is that it is secondary coverage. So if you have coverage with a wireless provider or another type of insurance policy, homeowners, renters, something like that, this free cell phone protection isn't going to kick in until all of that coverage is exhausted. So really it is best for people like me who don't have any sort of primary policy. Then this becomes the policy that goes into effect when your phone is either damaged or stolen. So if you're able to take advantage of free cell phone protection from your current credit card issuer or take out a new credit card, this could really save you a lot of money. Those monthly charges from a wireless provider for cell phone insurance, that adds up to between $120 and $180 a year typically. Wouldn't it be nice to keep that money in your pocket? Another thing you can do to protect your cell phone, get a good cell phone case, right? These are cheap. They only cost between $10 and $30. I've had a cell phone for more than 15 years and I've never had a shattered screen. It's a simple measure that you can take, buy a good case, protect your cell phone, and use that free cell phone protection if it is available to you. If you want to learn more about credit cards, I've got lots more information, including some personal recommendations in the description below, and you can learn about more ways to save money on my blog, michaelsaves.com. Keep watching Michael Saves, and I'll see you next time right here on YouTube. Thanks for watching.